Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view weather maps on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the weather app on your iPhone. Once you have the weather app open, look at the bottom left corner of your display. You will see a small icon that looks just like a map. Tap on this icon to open the weather maps. Now you have the weather map open. You can explore it by swiping in different directions. Swipe left or right to see different areas or up and down to change the view. And this is how you can view weather maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.